Reading Lesson 3, Problems and Solutions. We know that in most stories, there are characters, those are the who's, there's the setting, that's the where, and then there's the stuff that happens. There's always some kind of problem, but then there's also always a solution. Somehow, the characters find a way to solve their problem. For example, today, we're going to hear a story read aloud. It's called Enemy Pie by Derek Munson. Your job is to listen carefully to the story. While you listen, think about what the main problem is. Also, at the end of the story, think back and see if you can figure out what the solution to that problem was. Here's a link to the story. After the story, come back. What is the problem in this story? I think the problem was a new boy moved in nearby, and maybe he wasn't so nice. So suddenly the main character had an enemy. What is the solution to the problem in the story? Well, the boys play together while Dad bakes enemy pie. They have a good time together and become friends. And enemy pie is delicious. So the solution to having an enemy is to spend time together getting to know each other and playing. That solved the problem. Now, just for the fun of it, I have a bonus question. Why did Dad bake a delicious pie but call it enemy pie? I'll leave that for you to think about. Think about that later. Right now, it's your turn to try it on your own. Log on to Myon or choose a fiction book of your own and read it. If you're on Myon, turn the sound off so you're doing the reading. While you read, think about what the main problem is. Also, think about how they solve the problem. What is their solution? Here's the link to Myon. Remember, you want to choose a fiction book, a story. When you're done, come back here. After you've read your book, open your notebook. First, write your name and the date. The date is March 25th. So it would look like this. I'm going to write my name. The date is March 25th, 2020. The title, this is where you would write the title of your book. Well, I don't know what book you're going to read. You'll have to fill that in on your own. Then the first question is, what is the problem in this story? And write a little bit about your book. What was the problem? Then the second question is, what is the solution to the problem in the story? Write down what the solution was. How did they work it out? When you're done, remember to snap a picture and send it to your teacher. See you soon.